Hello, this is Jonathan with KECO Body Repairs Products. Today we would like to talk to you about our hole straightener. What in the world is a hole straightener? Well, we all have been there using a tool, go into a small hole, fix a dent, you get the tool out, you're proud of your dent, but then when you try to close the hood and you see the hole, oh, what did I do? I bent the whole hole with the tool, putting pressure on the hole inside and bended it. So we made a tool that you can use in conjunction with the Robo, and the Robo Lifter accepts the tool and becomes into a hole straightener tool. You'll see right away in a close-up shot how I put it in a washer. It's supposed to represent a hole in a door, in a hood or whatever, and you can squeeze this tool and straighten out the hole. This one, as you know, the Robo can turn 360 and you can fix the hole 360 around and leave the car properly repaired inside out. So make your life easy, straighten out those holes with our hole straightener. You want to know more about this tool? Go and visit KECOtabs.com or click the link below.